Hello, everybody. Welcome to day 20 of our VLOGMAS Python tutorial series. And today would happen to be one of the very brief or shortest tutorial videos we'll ever create. In this episode, what we are trying to look at is how to change two lists into a dictionary. By dictionary, we are just making one sort of a key word or sort of an ID, and then the other will be passed as a value into it. And the dictionary types are the ones that have, let's say, a key, probably say A assigned to a value, so maybe something else, maybe um, here. So in this case, the key or the ID is the first part, that's the A, and then the here becomes the value. All right, so let's say we have two different lists over here. All we need to do is to first use the same zip function, passing in the A and B as arguments for the zip, and then we now run a dict, that's to change to dictionary type. So a dict of that, and then let's assign this as say C, and then all we do is to run, and then we check our output C, and C now is a dictionary type. So with the first index say J passed to the value say 13, right? So now if we check the type of the C, we find that it's changed to a dict. But then the type of A is a list, the type of B is a list. And so that's how to easily change two lists or merge them together into a dictionary type data set. I believe this session has been enjoyed. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section and the team will get back to you. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and then turn on post notification to receive any updates on any new topic we post out there. And then to our old subscribers, we say thanks for sticking with us. And to everyone, we wish you Merry Christmas in advance. Do have an amazing time. Don't forget aspiring to be greater and better in your Python programming. Have an amazing day until we meet again. It's bye.